Hello guys, myself Payel and welcome back to my second clam episode. So today I'm gonna be share with you my basic skincare and pampering routine, and it's so good and affordable for all of you. After it, I'm using here the face wash from Biotic. You should just take a little bit of it because it's enough for your skin, and it's foaming face wash. So that's it. So that's it. And after using all of these products and my pampering routine, my skin is now so hydrating and oil free. So, and I already done my pedicure and manicure. You can see my next video. See you soon. Bye bye.